guys and gals, it's Zeebz here. Welcome back to Slime Rancher. Ooh, there has been a new update. We are now in version 1.0.1. Wait, where's my... there it is. Please stand by for 1 minute while we are loading into our slime laboratory. This is taking an awful while. What? Just when I begin to start saying stuff, then it appears. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, so while we were gone, I started. Okay, yes. I had activated the holy water by putting 3 rock plots into this guy, and that guy, and there's another one around here somewhere, I don't remember, but there was a third. So I put stuff in that one, and I think that gave us access to holy water. It did. Can I? Please? Can I? I got it. We must run. We gotta go. It's precious water. Gotta run. We go. Oh, there's that one. Wait, there should be. Where are the babies? Get 'em. Ouch. I will gather up all these little buddies. Ow, buddies. They don't want you. Where? I know there's more somewhere. It's got to be more than 9. Okay, that's all the buddies there. Where's the next flower? What morphed? I heard a morphing going on. Oh. Okay. So. Oh, look, they're doing a little face. Like, Okay. Gotta go. Gotta run fast. I don't know what the next one is, but we gotta find it fast. Time is actual time. There's time. There's one. Poof. There's more somewhere. I don't know where they are. What was this? Hello. A map. What the? Oh, you're making me waste time. Hello, little dervish slime. Hey, come back, friend. Whoa, it's like a universe slime. Go back to space. I know there's more purple guys somewhere. Hey, yo. You and you. Okay, so I went straight with the water. So let me just go back and get some more, see what we could do. You gotta go over there, you're crazy. What? You're illegal. No, you hurt. Okay. Gotta go fast. Supersonic fast. To the right this time. Oh, I know there's one. Oh, it's lovely. Look at them. Need at least 10 guys. Ouch. Ow, why does everyone want to hurt me? I try to help you. Wait, are these? Ow. I saw. What do you? Painted him. I'll partake in you, yes. Okay. So I went straight with the water. Oh, there's one over here too. Okay. Go back and get some more. So after I go straight and come back out with it. Okay. Okay. I need to drop these guys off at home so I can have more inventory space. Whoa. Alright guys, don't get in my way. Water, gotta go fast. Alright, nobody hurts me. We had an agreement. This way should give you. Wait. Bloop. Give me more mosaics. Hey, buddies. There's some messy. Oh dear. Hey, look, another one. Okay. Wait, so what? How do I map? Where's the map? I want no. Oh, there we go. Cool. So I take that's the portal home. Wait. Wait, if I well, that's the wait, whoa, what's that portal then? Wait, then what's up there? It says there's a portal up there. Oh, that green glip glop blop blop. You are a portal. Meat. Oh, I'll go round up some hens then. If these little people haven't eaten them all. Oh no! There's a storm! Run! Sorry, buddy, no food for you. You gotta wait out hell. How long do these storms last? Okay, so yeah, there's my portal there. And then they showed this portal here. Man. Okay, I'm gonna go try to get home. Oh. Alas. Home. Oh, nards. Oh, crap. The crops are dying. I haven't room for these people. Wait. Put you. Boop. Okay. I don't have room for mosaics. Okay, I got. Oh, I put dervish in here. I think I can make. Yeah, I can make another one over here. I'll keep you guys over here. When you're rich. Oh, good. You eat vegetables. Let's see. Be big ol'. Oops. Oh, we had enough. Tangle slimes. Oh, there's 10 of yous. Yes, please. What the heck? Oh yeah. Useless resources that I already have. And you get out of town. Wait, what's this? A silver parsnip! Huh. Wait, what's this in the wall? They're in the wall! I want it! What is it? I have these. That's home. What the? I want now. I want. I don't know what it is. Fine. I'll have it my way. Bro, what? It better not start firestorming on my farm. So what's an adequate couple? Tangle and Tangle mosaics? But Tangles eat fruit, so it's only best to put them with Tangles eat meat. So mosaics eat veggies. Dervishes eat fruit. And then they only eat veggies. Man, what eats meat? I don't know what eats meat. I'm gonna see. They probably all phased out. Oh, they didn't. What a surprise. Surprise, you're still here. Guys, you can get out of your cage, you know. I just put you all there so you can not die. I thought I had two as you. Okay, I'm gonna need all y'all not to fade out of existence like you just are right now. Whatever. Oh, this backspace will do fine for the Tangle Slime. Sure. Coolio. Oh, it's so cute. What the son of a biscuit? What the actual hell are you eating? I need one of you at least. Oh, he's coming back with me. Fudge. These quantum hobos can go somewhere else. Can't have any fun with these quantums. Man. I will go mix these tangles with mosaics. So should I mix them with the dervishes? This seems like a good combo. What do they eat again? Dervishes eat fruit. Don't got none of that. They're self-sufficient. What the biscuits? Man, I'm bad at this. Oh, he ate it. You go, guys. Whoa! Explode. Cool. Bullets. They're actually reaching outside their growth space, and I need to throw some of them away. There's too many! Sorry, pals. think you can live? Nope. Where to plant the silver parsnip? Hope y'all don't get too crazy. What is that? Let's see. I can wait. I don't even know what to do with the silver parsnip. Fabulous. Morning. So now I have a way back home. Where should I put this? Let's phase lemons, okas, odd onions, and oh, those are the 5 that I needed, but I already forgot them, so might as well sell them. They're down at 86. Okay. Quarry. Need to make some more drills so I can find more strange diamonds, so I can have more places to teleport. Honeys are going crazy. The cats are fine, I guess. 165. So what can I do in terms of drills? Oh, I can make a lot. Drills come from, yes, I need a lot of drills. 5 will do. 2. Oh, look, we had drills going. Please be a diamond. Diamond! Yes! Get out a diamond. Yes! That's business, baby. Make more. Drill and drill limit. That's bullcrap. Okay, what was I doing through here? Oh, look, a map. Huh. Oh, those are the other lands where I just want to go home. Build portals. I'm gonna get a duct. Oops. 2 more so they can eat these and I can have the tangle plorts. I don't know exactly where the locations are, but we'll find them. Eat these guys. Yeah, cool. I don't want to ask. Okay, so I know there are some. See, there's one. There's another right here. Now, where is there? Should only be 3. If I'm not mistaken. What about up there? Seems like a pretty sketchy place. Dervish? How can I get up there? Okay. Need to charge. What the? Where is this, anyways? Oh, let's try up here. Oh look, I was right. So what? What happened? I don't understand. I hear water. What did I unlock? I don't know what I did. What did I do? Oh hey! Sorry, I gotta run. Only got 30 seconds to run this water to where I need to go. Which is actually very far away. Shoot, man. Yeah, I didn't have enough time. Okay. Thanks. I don't know what that did. Might as well drill here for something, so let's just put one. Oh, can't. Great. Well, let's go home and check on quarries in the morning. Bookaloo. How depressing. 2 quarry. Wait. I need 50 vegetables. So I will need these. I'll go pop that Gordo. 19? I'm missing one. 20? Man, how much did this yield? 30? It's a lot. These guys are never gonna go hungry. Oh. $15 okas. Oh, that's a lot of plorts. That's dangerous. Maybe we should just stop feeding them. Okay, carrots galore. 40. Okay, I know there's 20 in each, so 3, 15, 16-ish. You can also have 15-ish. 10, 11 for now. If I get enough carrots, then I'll give you some more. I think I have 3 left over. Okay, to the quarry. Running, running. Now they're making plorts whenever I needed them. No time to chit chat, guys. Got to check up on things. Ow. Go. They're all dancing. That's not a diamond. That's not a diamond either. There's a diamond. Oh, oh. Fine. Spin it out. But first, let me just go get rid of these. No, no. Okay. Hi, Gordo. The carrots for you. Florp. No key. That's a lot of baloney. Hey, beetroot. Portal home. Dang it, waste of time. Move. Oh, a diamond. Man. Yeah, not my problem. Actually, it kind of is. So. Now I got a quick way home, I guess. Wait, that's not home. It says home. This isn't home. Lies. Oh. Lol, it is home. So there's a quick way to the quarry and back. Well, that's all the time we have in this episode, guys and gals. I was hoping that Gordo had a key in it, but it didn't, so we will continue our journey in the Glass Desert next time. Here, next Thursday, on upload. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Zeebz is outie.